Globalization is a process of connections among countries. The connections could either be political, economic, social, and cultural. This causes an increase in awareness, opportunities, transportations, deals, growth, new jobs, immigration, and the capital is moving globally, causing countries to develop. By definition, trade is the business of buying, selling, or bartering commodities, in a simple word, commerce, or in other words, dealing between people or groups. All of this includes the exchange of specific things such as goods, foods, money, even words. You can literally trade anything by something else. Depends on the people what they want to trade it for. The revolution began in the late 50s and 70s. This concept is defined as the development of technology from mechanical and analog to digital. In the 50s and 60s, computers were used, but mainly by militaries and governments. But in the late 70s is when people started using them at home. In the 80s, we were introduced to films, industry robots, and ATM. And just by 1989, 50% of the households owned a computer. And well, as you can see today, almost everyone owns a computer, has access to internet, or has a cell phone. By terrorism, we understand that is the use or threat of violence, mainly for a political cause. There is no precise definition of terrorism, since it may vary depending on the object to quantify. This term has grown within the years and is more common than we think. It goes from a school shooting or a mass shooting to a bigger attack like the 9/11. These acts of violence are caused by political groups, religious groups, even the government, or just people that want to cause fear in order to give a political punch or state.